Flex Stuff Abe getting another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we have here a JetBlue A321 from NG Models. So let's get into it. Ordered this from Waffle Collectibles eBay. So shout out to them for a bit of a cheaper price and also fast shipping. I heard something shaking in the box, so hopefully the model isn't broken. As you can see, it's wrapped in newspaper. Doesn't look like there's anything wrong with the model. Might have just been the newspaper. And there's your typical NG box. We just got a design of the aircraft's tail. So to start off with the box, we have Airbus A321-200. And then we got the computer generated image of the model. JetBlue titles, the registration, which is November 905, Juliet Bravo. NG Models logo, 1 of 400. And then just your typical side views. Yeah, so let's get into the model. Looks perfect, there's nothing wrong. Somehow we got, oh, it's just Waffle Collectibles business card. And then we got, of course, our NG reward card. And then here's the model. Looks great. Ooh, looks like there's a defect on the winglet. The paint is chipped. I'll show you guys. It's a bit unfortunate, but it's all good. It makes the plane maybe a bit more realistic, I guess. But yeah, let's look at this. And I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft while I put the box away. Let's try to get it focused. Does not want to focus. All right, there we go. Finally got it in focus. I'll put the flight trade artifacts right here for you guys. So kind of disappointing with the chipped winglet, but other than that, the aircraft looks really good. So to start off the review, we have the nose cone detailed at the front. And I do believe it says blue lanyard. JetBlue names all of their aircraft. And then we got the cockpit windows, L1 door, Fly 5 from JetBlue, JetBlue titles across the whole fuselage, landing gear, no landing lights detailed on this aircraft. We got JetBlue.com on the engines, or engine I should say, I'm only pointing at one. And then we also got red navigation light right here, Wi-Fi dome, Airbus A321 right below the windows actually, and also the registration with the American flag. And the registration once again is November 905 Juliet Bravo. And then we also have the JetBlue tail. It looks great. Back view of the aircraft. You guys can see the APU. Here is the right side of the aircraft. It's the same as always, except we have the cargo luggage doors. One right here below the L and the U. And then we also have one right here below the Wi-Fi dome. And then we also have a green navigation light on this side. Front view of the aircraft looks great. And then here's a bird's eye view. And let's get a bottom view. The stand hole, landing gear, it all looks great. Yeah. And then you can kind of see the cargo luggage doors right there, detail. Sun glare is kind of blocking it. But yeah, guys, overall, it's a great model from NG, other than this chipped winglet. I don't know how that happened. But yeah, guys, overall it's a great model. Super glad to pick up this JetBlue A321. Looking forward to the next release of the new livery A321. The landing gear do roll, by the way. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the quick review. Stay tuned for more, and as always, thank you for the support. Have a good day.